If you have accidentally changed the language of your Samsung Galaxy A07, then in this video I'll tell you a method by which you can easily go back to English. First of all, swipe upwards like so and find for settings icon, and right here you can see settings icon or gear icon. Simply click on the settings icon like so, then scroll to the bottom. Once you have scrolled to the bottom, right here you can see a gray icon with 3 lines. Simply tap on that like so. Once you are in this window, simply click on the first option like so. It is for language, and right here you will be able to see English. Simply click on English like so, then tap on this blue button like so, which is for apply. And after few moments you will be able to see language will be changed back to English. The language is now back to English. So that's how you can easily change language back to English in your Samsung Galaxy A07. So that's it for this video. If this video helped, subscribe.